Hey guys, it's Strykar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or not my channel, this video, you know what I mean. Valentine's Day is approaching very soon. Whether you have a date or not, this is a super fun and unique eye look for you to try out at home. This eye look was inspired by Strashme. I don't really know how to say her name, so I'm just gonna have it linked in the description below. I actually DM'd her before I recorded this video and asked how to pronounce her name, and she just never got back to me, so yeah, like I said, it's just gonna be linked below. Overall, this was a pretty inexpensive eye makeup look. Really, it didn't cost me much. All the products I used are very inexpensive. It's definitely not on the easy side of things, but if you have a steady hand, I would definitely recommend you giving this a try because it turned out super cute and I absolutely love it, so you might as well just keep on watching. I'm starting with my eyelid already prepped and primed, and I'm going in with this super fluffy brush with this bright pink color on it, and I'm just going to apply this all in my crease. With this same big fluffy brush, I'm going in with this kind of like a brighter shade of neon pink, and I'm going to apply it in the same area all over that first pink. With a small pencil brush, I'm using both shades of pink, and I'm going to apply that underneath my lash line, making sure that I blend out the edges very evenly. I'm switching to a larger brush, and I'm going in with the shade Rock and Roll from Retro Love palette by Bad Habit, and I'm also taking just a little bit of red from my Take Me to Brazil palette and then blending this from my lid all the way up into the pink crease. Back to my blending brush, I'm really making sure that I have a nice ombre and no harsh lines. With my small pencil brush, I'm taking both shades of red and blending that into the pink, but closest to my lash line. I'm going in with NYX Vivid Brights Liquid Liner in this really pretty pink shade. I'm just going to attempt to draw some hearts on my eyes, and drawing hearts on paper is totally different from drawing them on your eyes, especially in a mirror and with this type of brush. So I suggest you guys practice like I didn't. And then this whole time, I really intended on going back over to reshape those hearts with some eyeshadow. I just thought I'd get all the hearts completed first. As you can see, I have the other eye already done. You know, not like I messed up or anything, just to save some time. Since I already have my other eye already completed, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes to this eye. Then I'm just going to take my Benefit They're Real mascara, and this is one of my favorites. I'm just going to apply this on my bottom lashes and a little bit on the top. Next, I'm taking the highlighter called Stardust from my Unicorn Glow palette, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Then with that same highlighter, I'm just going to apply this in both inner corners of my eye with a different brush, and then with another brush, I'm going to take that same highlighter and use this underneath my brow.